Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable adventure through the iconic landmarks and monuments of Washington, D.C. Our journey begins on Constitution Avenue, right by the south lawn of the White House. First up, the towering and majestic Washington Monument. Stick around because we've got a whole lineup of amazing sights to show you on this beautiful day. If you're planning a visit to the Washington Monument, here are two essential tips to enhance your experience. First, be sure to bring a small backpack or bag containing water, a hat, and other items to help you stay cool, especially during the warmer months when the sun can be quite intense. Second, make sure to use the restroom before you enter the memorial grounds. While there is a small restroom located east of the Washington Monument at the Washington Monument Lodge, it's not the most pleasant facility. I recommend using other restrooms, but sometimes you might just need to do what you need to, so best of luck.
Which way we going? Straight? Okay, some more time for us.
Are they letting us go?
Yes.
There we go. Huh? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
You come back?
No, it's over there. Sticky?
No, I'm just.
What's that?
See you looking at her?
I wasn't looking at nothing. The water, babe, makes you happy.
Next stop, we took a stroll by the World War II Memorial. This stunning tribute is a must-see with its beautiful fountains and impressive architecture commemorating the sacrifices of the greatest generation.
Missouri.
Yep.
Missouri, not Missouri. Missouri.
Missouri.
Missouri.
No, it's Missouri.
No. Double S. Mississippi. Why they say Mississippi? They say Mississippi. You American people. Louisiana.
It's gonna be on the, what do you call it?
Tennessee.
It's gonna be on the video.
Vermont.
It'll be on the video.
Babe,
It's
Vermont.
it's Missouri.
Our state.
Look at that.
Vermont.
Next, we stayed along the iconic Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool. This stunning pool stretches over 2,000 feet and provides a picturesque view, perfectly reflecting the grandeur of the Lincoln Memorial at one end and the Washington Monument at the other.
Babe, look at the baby doll.
Next stop, yep, you guessed it, the famous Lincoln Memorial. This iconic monument honors the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln, and features a stunning, larger-than-life statue of Lincoln himself. The memorial's architecture is inspired by Greek temples with 36 majestic columns representing the states in the Union at the time of Lincoln's death. Seeing this statue in real life is truly amazing. The sheer size and detail are breathtaking. It's a powerful tribute to one of America's greatest leaders and a must-see for anyone visiting Washington, D.C. Next stop, the famous Vietnam Veterans Memorial. This powerful tribute honors the brave men and women who served in the Vietnam War. The memorial features a black granite wall inscribed with the names of over 58,000 servicemen and women who gave their lives or went missing in action. On Memorial Day, the atmosphere here is especially poignant, filled with remembrance and respect. We didn't capture a lot of footage out of respect for the solemn occasion and those who have sacrificed so much. However, we highly recommend visiting this incredible memorial to truly appreciate its significance and the profound impact it has on visitors.
Maybe they might tell you not to use the camera, babe.
I can ask. Oh yeah, we can, I think.
They know I'm coming, babe.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. They don't take care of this grass. So I'm paying my taxes.
Next stop, the famous ellipse behind the White House. This 52-acre park, also known as President's Park South, is a historic and picturesque area used for public events, celebrations, and even protests. It offers fantastic views of the White House and is also the location of the National Christmas Tree during the holiday season. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the scenery. Let's go check it out.
You're all right, babe.
We finally made it to the White House. We were hoping to run into Joe and have a little talk with him, but no luck this time. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we couldn't check out the Pennsylvania Avenue side, the East Wing, or the Oval Office. We'll have to save that for the next video. We highly recommend this tour to anyone interested in historic scenery. Our visit was somewhat impromptu, but with proper planning, there's so much more to see in DC than what we've shown in this video. We will see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.